Good day, everybody. I'm here with my navigator, Aiden, and we are doing chapter 10. So again, I just did some of the try it yourself, so I'm going to explain this to the best of my ability. So the first one is a write a program that prompts the user for their name and then writes it to a file called guest text. So, I didn't add that one, so we'll add that now. So it's going to be called guest.text. So we'll have that one. So that's been created. So let's run this in our terminal. You know this takes a while, so we'll just let that load first. Any day now. There we go. So it's prompting us to ask our name. Well, for our name. So we're gonna put down our name. So then it says, thank you, Courtney. Your name has been written to guest.txt. What is your name? So now we're going to add another one. I'm going to add Aiden since he is my navigator. So it's going to continue. So now I'm going to type quit. That quits. And then that should be in our guest text. Should be in our guest text. Okay, maybe we'll only print in there once I'm finished with all this, so we'll come back to that. The other one was a continuation of the guest book, so it writes a while loop that prompts users for their name and writes each entry into a guest book.txt. Got it. Okay, so we're going to just make another one quickly. I forgot to make these earlier. I just got carried away with the code. Don't mind me. So we've got that now as well. So it's going to open the guest book file in the append mode to add new entries. So here we have a with open guestbook as file. So while true, it's going to prompt us for our name again. I think that's where the rest of that comes in. Yeah, so it's basically the exact same as before. I'm just gonna keep on going, and then we can say quits or whatever. Oh, it's just a continuation. So basically we've done this already. So then it's going to end off, and once you say quits, it's going to say thank you for signing the guest book. Okay. 10.6, this is an addition program that handles value error when non-numeric input is given. So it's going to ask us for two numbers, but obviously it's going to ask us for a number first. So let's give them number 8 and then 16. And then it's going to add our numbers and print the result. So it's just simple addition. So we've got here the sum of 8 and 16 is 24. So yeah, accept value error. So this will catch the value error if inputs are not valid numbers. So yeah. So it's obviously going to print in your terminal. Oops. Okay, this is referring to something else. Anyway, let's just carry on with the chat. Sorry, the terminal thing. So we've gotten our result that is displayed there. And then what you saw here is this. So the cats and dogs program is to read files and handle file not found error. So here we have our read file function and then our file name. So this is exceptions. So it's going to try. It's not trying anything. So it's going to try open and read the file. So file name as contents. So it hasn't found a file. So it's not going to read the file. Therefore, it says, oops, the file's cat or dog was not found, which is reading that. I'm sure if we input a file, it will read that and then print file was found. But since it has not been found, it prints oops, the file name was not found. Please check the file path. So as you see here, basically. And then we have another one, which is basically just division. So we have so basically we're doing 10 divided by 0, which you can't obviously divide by 0. So it's going to say you can't divide by 0, which prints out here. Yeah, so quick and simple. It's basically how exceptions work. I'm going to be honest, this is not my favorite. Yeah. Anything you'd like to add, Aiden?
Not really. Yeah, exceptions are pretty simple. Yeah, it changes sort of how you write syntax, but
Yeah.
that yeah, other than that, nothing really to them.
Simple but not fun.
Yeah, at least it isn't unit tests.
That's true. Okay. Well, yeah, that's this is chapter 10, part 1, by the way. Part 2 will be coming out tomorrow.